testing which aircraft can land on an aircraft carrier in War Thunder, Part 295M. We only count it when the plane is being repaired. Let's get into it, lads. No air brake. Sounds perfect. I mean, even though I crashed this plane, it's much better to fly than B-52.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
Whoops. The hell was that? No, it doesn't count. Looks terrible, but we will see. Oh yeah, we made it. Look at that beautiful repair notification. Let me know in the comments which plane you want to see next. Love y'all.